Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to be drawing Flounder from the Little Mermaid. I hope you'll draw along with us.
You'll need your pencil, a black marker, and something to color with.
Yeah, let's get started. Okay, first to start out our Flounder drawing, we're going to start with a rough sketch to plan out.
Okay.
We want to start kind of in the middle of the page and just do a big rough circle or oval like this.
Okay.
Okay, this is going to be the most of his body, and we're going to add a cheek right here coming out.
Okay.
And then his body kind of comes into a tail right here.
Kind of going up.
Yeah, it's more towards the upper side of his body. It's not coming
Okay.
straight out, it's coming up. And then it curves into a little fin.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we'll come back and fix all the little
Okay.
mistakes. We're just trying to rough out his general shape.
All right.
And then up here he has a fin that breaks into 3 hair-like shapes like that.
Okay.
And then right here he has a fin that we can kind of rough out. And then another fin over on this side kind of sticks out. Okay, so that's our basic shape we're going to start with.
Okay, let me
And
get
now-
this then.
Now we're going to start refining.
Okay.
Okay. First, let's move in. Right here I see that this is the cheek I want to define. So I want to make sure that I have that outlined just right. And then I'm going to erase a little around just to kind of clean up the area now that I have that specific line.
Okay.
Okay, next we're going to come in and we're going to add this nose or his snout for his mouth. And it curves up into this smile line right here.
Okay.
And then down below he has this mouth that stretches out and down to the side. And then a little lip that pushes over the edge of his body. Just like that.
I see.
Then inside the mouth will give him a little tongue. Just a lumped line right there.
Got it.
We'll come back right behind this nose and pointing a little towards the left. It's going to be his first eye. Like that.
Okay.
And we'll do another one right above this smile line. It's going to be a line going in the opposite direction.
Okay.
That's going to be the bottom of this other eye. That's poking out right here.
Which way is the eye? Is it tilting left as well, like the first eye?
It's almost going straight up, but it can kind of tilt a little to the left.
Okay. Got it.
Yep, perfect. Now we're going to add the iris line and then a pupil line that will fill in like that.
Okay.
Same on this side. That first line, and I made mine a little thick, so I'm going to erase it and then add the pupil and fill that in.
Okay.
And he has these eyebrows that are really high up here
Oh.
because he's really happy and excited.
When you have eyebrows that high, does it make you look happier?
Yeah. And eyebrows don't go this high, but since it's animated, they want to exaggerate that, meaning they want to make it really stand out so that emotion really reads fast, and so they push them up really high.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Now while we're down over here, we're gonna work on this fin. It kind of comes in and out in an S curve.
I see I had
Back
mine in
down.
the wrong spot before, so I should just erase it and move it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then another line coming out following this one that comes out a little further and rounds off.
Okay.
And then one more That follows those other two
Perfect.
and comes back into the body. There's our first fin. I'm gonna clean up this line going up a little bit. Erase some of the mess. Now I'm gonna add this fin just like the other. We're gonna have several different lines coming out in S-curves. So I'll have that first lump. The second one and the middle one comes out further. And then the third one comes out and then goes back in. Like that.
Okay.
Clean these up a little bit. Okay. Now I'll clean this, go up to the tail. So he has this, we're gonna cut it off right there with a line. And then his tail comes straight out from there.
Wait, I'm behind you.
Okay.
So you're
So you're coming up,
coming up to the tail.
we're gonna cut the end of his body where the tail is with a line.
Okay.
And now we're gonna do the tail shape again.
Okay.
This one, a little more rounded into the body like that.
Okay.
And then just a few lines going through the tail like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna clean up around the tail.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's come back over onto this side. His hair comes in over the body line by a little bit. And then we'll go back up and do the first hair, second, third, and then back into this mohawky fin shape.
Okay.
And then that line is gonna S-curve back down into the body. Then we'll come back to that first hair and do another S-curve back to where we just ended to close off that mohawk shape. Good job, perfect. So right here, there's a couple lines in the center of that shape.
Okay.
Yep, right there, perfect. And then 2 more back here. Okay, right about where we put those 2 shapes, he has some stripes coming out. So he has one, it's rounded, it's not a straight line. It kind of wraps around his body
Okay.
and then back up to about there.
Got it.
Then we're gonna do another one right here. It's a little shorter. Then back up,
Okay.
and then 2 more. Another one gets shorter, and then another little one short there in the back.
Got it.
Perfect. And there we have our flounder sketch.
Yay, I love it.
Now we get to ink him or outline him
Okay.
with our black marker.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
I see some dirty, like messy lines that I have.
Yeah.
Okay. Boop.
Perfect. So now I'm gonna start with the face. I'm gonna come in, fill his pupils, the iris, and outline his eyes. Now I'm gonna outline the nose. Get that other eye too while I'm there. And the mouth. And the tongue.
Okay.
And the little piece that goes underneath the mouth. Slip.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna start up here by the hair and go all the way down and outline his face. And then back around his body. Make sure you don't go through his fins.
Okay. Stop.
His back side. And I'm gonna come back and do underneath his hair or his fin. And then do those 3 hair-shaped pieces in the front. And the top mohawk.
It's cool how they made his fin look like hair.
Yeah,
Okay.
makes him a little bit more human,
Yeah.
even though he's a cartoon fish. Now I'm gonna do those stripes. Make sure they wrap around his body or his form.
Okay.
Wrap around. And just keep going. And his tail fin. The lines inside. Now I'm doing the fin on the side. And this one, we're almost there.
We are.
And now to finish off his eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.
And there we have Flounder.
Yay!
Now we get to color him in.
Okay.
Wow, that's such a great Flounder. You did a really good job following along with me today, Dee Dee.
Thank you, Bubba. I loved drawing Flounder with you.
I'm so glad. I hope you'll all come back really soon and draw more characters with us. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.